Welcome to the Measurement app. This app can be used to introduce the ruler, and this can also be used to present different mathematical problems. So, as we see, we have a ruler on the screen, and we see we are in centimeter mode. We can also move to inch mode. We can click on the ruler to see more divisions of the inches, like this. So, we have halves, quarters, eighths, and even sixteenths. If we click again, all the divisions are erased. Now, let's move to centimeter. Here we can divide the centimeters into halves, and we can click again to see the millimeters. Let's go back to centimeters. So the page opens up with 4 pencils. We can always throw out some of them. We just simply drag a pencil, take it out of the screen, and let go. We can also change the length of a pencil by dragging its point, like this. So the most basic question we can ask is, what is the length of this pencil? And the answer is 8 centimeters. Well, let's move this pencil and place this one over here, and we'll shorten it just a little bit. Now we can ask, what's the length of the green pencil? Well, if a student says 7, we just point out that the pencil doesn't start from the 0. The ruler here is like an axis, and the question we have here is 7 minus 2. And the answer is 5. And we can also show this by dragging the pencil back here to 0. Here we jump to another example. We threw out all the pencils besides the red one, and we made its length equal to 4. Now, let's go ahead and put a label on it. So for this, we drag a numerical expression from the top toolbar, and we'll go ahead and type 6 minus 2, and we'll place it on the pencil. Now, one way to think about subtraction is that you have 6 of something, and 2 are being taken away. But see, this model emphasizes a different way to look at subtraction. It's the distance between 6 and 2. Let's go ahead and place the pencil on the ruler. The pencil starts at 2 and ends at 6. So its length is 6 minus 2, which is 4. But what if we move the pencil over here? Now this represents the question 7 minus 3. This model shows that we can increase the value of these two numbers by the same amount without affecting the result. If we add 3 to both numbers, well, then we have 10 minus 6. And this can give us a deeper understanding of subtraction. And it also gives us a way of calculating that can come in very handy. Let's see an example on the next page. If we have the question 57 minus 19, adding 1 to both numbers will give us 58 minus 20. And this, of course, is a much easier question. We don't have to subtract any units. We can also use the app to prepare in advance a question, such as this. Notice that the Hide Ruler checkbox is marked, so we don't see the ruler. What is the length of the red pencil? And of course, this is equivalent to the question 9 divided by 3. We can also use the ruler to check the answer. We uncheck Hide Ruler and bring the pencil to the ruler to measure it. We could also create a trickier question. Let's go ahead and throw these two out and lengthen this to 4.5. We'll click the ruler so we see the halves. Now, we'll drag it over here and duplicate it. Hide the ruler, and here we have a question where the answer is a fraction, 4.5. So these are the tools of the app, and we hope you and your students enjoy it in class. Thank you for watching.